Good morning, team. My name is Ampumuza, and I'll be taking us through this discussion. Our coursework question is, using examples, discuss the lessons learned from COVID-19 pandemic for firms that engage in global value chains. Part B, identify and discuss a range of strategy options that can be designed and implemented by organizations to survive demise on now and in future of similar and even much worse pandemics like COVID-19. We shall go straight to our introduction. When we say a global value chain refers to the interconnected network of activities and processes involved in the production and distribution of goods and services on a global scale. Gloria, kindly take us through points for part A.
Thank you so much. So COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted several key lessons for the firms engaged in the global value chain, reshaping their strategies and operations. Here are some of the lessons learned. Point number 1, supply chain resilience. The pandemic exposed vulnerabilities in supply chain, particularly in industries heavily reliant on international sourcing. Firms learned the importance of diversifying suppliers, reducing dependency on single source suppliers, and building resilience. For example, the automotive companies like Toyota and Ford, and this can also be seen in the last 2 paragraphs of the case study. The second one, agility and flexibility. The ability to adapt quickly to the changing market conditions and disruptions became a crucial competitive advantage in the global value chain. Firms learned the importance of agility and flexibility in production, distribution, and logistics to respond to the fluctuations in demand, supply constraints, and regulatory changes. For example, the food retailers like Walmart and Tesco adjusted their supply chain. The third one, risk management. Firms realized the need to enhance risk management capabilities to anticipate and mitigate disruptions effectively. This includes scenario planning, stress testing, and developing contingency plans to address the various potential risks, such as the geopolitical tensions, natural disasters, or the public health crises. For example, the pharmaceutical companies face challenges in sourcing raw materials for vaccine productions during the pandemics, leading to calls for greater stockpiling and supply chain redundancy. And this is also mentioned in the second paragraph of the case study. Thank you so much.
David, you can take it on from there.
Yes, my name is ODUCHI David. I'm taking from number 4. Sustainability and social responsibility. The epidemic underscored the significance of sustainability and social responsibility in the value chain. Firms recognized the need to prioritize ethical sourcing, fair labor practice, and environmental sustainability to mitigate risk and enhance resilience. Companies like Unilever, Nestle reaffirmed their commitment to sustainability and responsible sourcing during the epidemic, recognizing the long-term benefits of ethical practice for brand reputation. Digital transformation. The epidemic accelerated the adoption of digital technologies and automation in global value chain. Firms invested in digital platforms, remote collaboration tools, and advanced analytics to enhance visibility, agility, and efficiency in supply chain operations. Companies like Amazon, Alibaba, with robust e-commerce and digital infrastructures, were better positioned to adapt to changing consumer behaviors and supply chain disruptions during the pandemic. Collaboration. Moderator, first got down because you have collaboration and partnership. Amazon and stakeholders in global value chain became essential for every company for overcoming the challenges and building resilience in supply chain. Firms learned the importance of closer collaboration with suppliers and customers, government, and other partners to share the information. Okay, that's where
Thank you, David. We shall go to our part B. Hilda, please take us through the first point of part B.
Good morning, my name is AROMORACH. HILDA will be taking you through part B to survive impact of current and future pandemics like COVID-19. Organizations need to develop and implement comprehensive strategies that address various aspects of their operations. So some of the strategies: 1. Enhanced risk management. Conduct thorough risk assessments to identify vulnerabilities and develop contingency plans for various scenarios, including pandemics, natural disasters, and geopolitical tension by investing in advanced risk management tools and technologies to monitor and mitigate risks in real time. And 2. Diversification of supply chain. Reduce reliance on single source suppliers and diversify the supplier base across different regions by implementing dual sourcing strategies for critical components to mitigate the risk of supply chain disruptions. Thank you.
Number 3, we're covering agile manufacturing and production, and we're saying adopt agile manufacturing practices to quickly adopt production processes and repurpose facilities to meet changing demand patterns. Number 4, we're having resilient business models. For example, the MYOGA, and we have the MYOGA, we have tax waivers, which were measures that government of Uganda tried to use to reduce closure of some organizations in the country. Gloria, number 5.
Thank you. Gloria BALABA Mabanji speaking again. Number 5, employee health and well-being. Prioritize employee health and well-being by implementing robust health and safety protocols, providing access to health care services, and offering mental health support. Number 6, digital transformation. Accelerate digital transformation initiatives to enhance agility, visibility, and efficiency in operations by implementing digital supply chain platforms and automations to improve forecasting, inventory management, and decision-making. And the 7th, remote work and collaboration. Establish robust remote work capabilities and collaboration tools to enhance employees to work effectively from anywhere. Thank you so much.
Scenario planning
Yes,
and contingency preparedness. Develop scenario-based planning frameworks to anticipate and prepare for future pandemics or similar crises, conducting tablet exercise and simulations to test response plans and identify areas for improvement. Number 9, we have strategic partnerships and alliance. Forge strategic partnership and alliance with suppliers, customers, governments, and industry associations to share resources, expertise, and information. David, please take us through 10.
Again, this is David ODUCHI. Sustainability and social responsibility integrates sustainability and social responsibility principles into business practices to build resilience and enhance reputation by emphasizing ethical sourcing and fair labor practice and environmental sustainability in supply chain. In conclusion, the COVID-19 served as a wake-up call for firms engaged in global value chain. By adopting a combination of the strategies, organizations can better prepare for challenges posed by the current future pandemic, ensuring their survival and resilience in their face of uncertainty.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, David. This is our coursework for Group 2A. Thank you, colleagues.
Thank you too.
Thank you.